Hi, it's your girl Kenya Posey, and I'm servicing the Las Vegas and Henderson, Nevada areas on keeping it real with real estate. So I want to come out to you guys this week, and I want to thank the agent who reached out to me regarding my volume on my YouTube channels, and because I want to make sure I'm providing you some good content, and I'll make sure it's coming across you guys loud and clear. So this agent let me know that my volume on my YouTube channel has been a little low. So hopefully moving forward, we have got that kink worked out. So this week's topic on keeping it real with real estate, I met with a newly licensed agent this past week, and it's all about the fact that when I got licensed, so I want to come out here and provide you guys some free tips on what to look forward to when you're coming in real estate. So first, congratulations to you on taking the step of completing the real estate and getting your license. Now, kudos to you. Now, however, all the information that you guys learned while you were studying for real estate, throw it out the door. It's not going to matter. We don't even discuss. I don't think 0% of that information you studied to pass that real estate exam. So most importantly is this is real life transactions, and every transaction is always going to be different. So just know that they did not prepare you for what you're going to be facing in the real world of real estate. Number one. Number two, deciding on where to hang your license. It's very important that you go and interview several brokerages and different brokerages within the same brokerages. That means like KW, for instance, in Las Vegas, we have 6 offices here in the area. Every brokerage is owned and operated separately. Now there is 4 particular offices that are combined to one, so they have only one owner. However, every office is still a little different with the culture. So be sure to visit those offices that you're interested in. Speak to those brokers. Talk to them about their training and the education processes. That's going to be really important when you come out here in the real world of real estate. It's going to be very important that you get properly trained in the ongoing education that you're going to need to keep your business learning and growing. So when you go to your brokers, see what they offer you when it comes to the training and education. Again, that is very, very important. So when you make that final decision, if you got some feedback or want to talk to me, you can always give me a call about, what I think about, my experience I've had here with Keller Williams, because I love the culture here. I've not only been with Keller Williams. So that's just my tidbit on that. Number 2, once you find a brokerage, dive into making sure that you're not an undercover agent. That means that let people know that you are actually in real estate, that you're starting your new business and you want their support. That means you're going to reach out to your family and friends. Now, mind you, please keep in mind your family and friends might always be your first people to call, or the first persons who are going to be supporting your business. But however, you still want to reach out to your family and friends and let them know, hey, I'm new to real estate. Who do you know that I need to know that may be looking to buy or sell? And would you be willing to use me for your future transactions? So that's the second tip I want to give you. Don't be a secret agent. Number 3 is making sure that you're being consistent and showing up each day for your business, because again, this is a business and we want to make sure that you're running it as a business, meaning that you want to be generating income. So you want to get up every day and show up just like you were showing up for that job, that 9 to 5 or whatever job you might have had prior to this. Make sure that you're showing up for your business daily and being consistent about it. And my last and final tip is going to be true to who you are. Come out here and be yourself. Don't go out here thinking and comparing yourself to other agents that's been in this game for a while, or somebody who's newly on the market who said, my first year I did 50 homes. Folks, sold 50 homes, because that may not be your story. Tell your story, be true to who you are, and be compassionate about this experience, and also have integrity about yourself. That's the most important thing, because I will let you know this business can be a little, I want to be using some kind words about the business, but it can be a dog eats dog world out here. So know that you don't have to be those individuals who are always cutthroat individuals, or always shutting somebody else down to keep them shining. Don't be that agent. I want to let you know that. Don't be that agent. Again, be true to who you are and come out here with the integrity and honesty to represent your clients in the right atmosphere you want for your business and moving forward, as if it's for you and your family. Okay, so that was just my tidbits I got for you. I'll come back with you a little later on with more information. But as newer agents, if you got any questions, want to chit chat about what to look for, or needing to look a mentorship, give me a call. I can be reached again. You can find my information down below, or you can contact me again. I will give you right here. It's 702-401-8733. Again, it's your girl Kenya Posey with Keeping It Real Estate. # the agent that cares. Have a good one, you guys.